We are your worst nightmares.
The following message transmitted at the request of the United States government at 6 a.m. daylight time. There have been reports of dangerous creatures roaming all around in Cambridge. These creatures are the following: Smile Dog, Pinkamena Cupcake, Pennywise the Clown, SpongeBob.exe, The Beast from Solver Fallout, Hello Kitty.exe, Twilight Sparkle.exe, Zombies from Minecraft, Cartoon Mouse, Cartoon Sheep, Cartoon Lion, MyMelody.exe, ChocoCat.exe, Fluttershy.exe, Rarity.exe, Applejack.exe, Rainbow Dash.exe, Mario.exe, Chucky the Killer Doll, Peppa Pig.exe, Pikachu.exe, Patrick.exe, Tails.exe, Blossom.exe, Bubbles.exe, Buttercup.exe, The Toy Animatronics, Ruby.exe and Unikitty.exe. Residents of Cambridge are advised to lock all doors and windows and barricade them so one of these creatures won't enter your home. Take food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight if only, and a battery-powered radio. If you see one of these creatures, use armed protection by all means. This message will repeat in 30 minutes.